Hello people, welcome back to another Cars review. Today it's going to be based on the Bumper Save Racing Tractor. And yeah, I found this at a Ford Target, and yeah, Disney Pixar Cars logo, metal, there's his artwork. This Bumper Save right there, there's the diecast. Now if we move on to the back, seen in Cars 3. And we got Smokey, Jackson Storm, Jambalaya Chimichanga, Track Damage Cruiser Mirrors, Thailand HJ Hollis, Pushover, Hara Junior Moon, and Sheldon Shifter. Of course, it says made in Thailand. And yeah, I will be back when he's out of the package. And ignore the background that's going on. So here's the Bumper Save Racing Tractor out of the package, and yes, I did knew about that. So let's just begin. As you can see, he has brown eyes, he has an exhaust pipe that goes from a blue to gray. On the hood here, and we got Bumper Save. Got the little black grill thingy, or whatever it's called. Got a painted mouth and teeth. Got black rims in correct red. And we got red rims. And we got some white trim, Lightyear text. On the top here we got number 90. Got silver right there. On the side here we got Pista Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy. 90. We got the S's for safe or whatever. From a turquoise to a blue. The back here we got 90. Blue stripe coming there. S for standing for safe. Rookie stripes. Got the base here. N34A, so the first case of 2021. Now right here it should say made in Thailand somewhere. And let's compare him to Paul Conroy. See that he's a tractor and yeah. I wonder what this is. Oh yeah, we got this thing here to hold the little tires. There's something on